In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to buy Bitcoin on Etoro. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to etoro.com and then log into your account like you usually would. Then from here it should bring stuff like this once you get inside of your dashboard. Now from here you'll need to go up to the search bar up here, and then from here you'll need to click in Bitcoin like so. And then from here you'll be able to see you can trade either Bitcoin or BTC, Bitcoin Cash, or you can buy an ETF if you want to do that via the Nasdaq. From here you'll simply need to click a BTC, Bitcoin, and once from here you'll be able to see this page right here. Now from here you'll need to go up to the trading section over here, click on that, and then from here you'll be able to add in the specific amount that you want to trade. Let's just say I want to trade for $100 for this tutorial. Once from here you can see that you can change the order type from either a market order to a limit order, and then from here, once you're done, you'll be able to go down to the buy section and then purchase your Bitcoin. And as you can see, order purchased and order filled, and then you can click on it to go inside of your portfolio and see that you have bought Bitcoin for this specific price. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please let me down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!